Welcome to the first section of our Canva tutorial. In this section, we'll get started with the basics of using Canva. My name is Mansa Matimba and I'm your instructor today. So, before we get started, let's get into Write It. So to get started, open your browser, go to canva.com. You see the homepage, which is creative tools, features. If you already have Canva account, it's simple to create one. Here's how. To open the homepage, click this sign in. So you can sign in with Google, sign in with Facebook or email. So let's start with the sign up process. So I'm going to click the sign up button on the right corner. This will take you to the registration page. So here you can see you have different options. So we'll go with the email. So fill in the required information, including your email address, create a user password, then click sign up to complete. You'll be asked to confirm the email address by clicking a link in an email sent to you by Canva. Once you verify your Canva account is ready to use. So we can check the email, the link. So go to the Canva code. Simply open the email. So there we have it. So you copy the Canva code and paste it in the required form. So there you have it, you're ready to use. You've just registered your first Canva account. Now that you have created your Canva account, let's explore the user interface. Understanding the layout, how to navigate Canva is crucial for creating visually appealing designs. So on the left side, you can see the personal account is showing there. On the left side there we have the home button, Magic Studio, the projects. This is the most very important aspect of Canva. So here you can find your projects here, shared projects, uploads, starred projects. So there you can find here, that's where you can find your shared projects. If you have shared some projects, for instance, your friend has shared a project with you, you can edit it or view it, so under the shared projects. So let's go back home to, you see on the right hand side of the Canva. So here we have the templates. So the templates are one of the most important aspects of Canva. This is where we begin our designs. So Canva provides a vast amount of templates. You have featured collections. So this includes trending designs near you. We have Instagram stories, posters, you name it. Canva has a very vast library of templates. So you can even have your own brand, such that your own logos. You can even select which brands you like for designs. So here, that's where you find them. So this feature is only for paid users. Then we have the apps. So the apps is one of the important aspects here. So we have the image generation, like DALL-E. We have Google. So these are AI image generation tools. Some of the best. So we have the Google and the DALL-E. So right in your projects, you can create images from text to image. So let's go back to the home page. So this is basically the user interface of Canva. Very easy to use. So this is where we will begin designing the visually appealing CV. So down there is very good that you get familiar with this interface, because you'll be working with it every day, creating your CVs, even other designs if you wish to. So as you can see here, we have a plethora of designs that we did before. So this is basically your collection. This is where you find your collection of CVs. So you can edit some. You can even share. You can even put into the delete bin in there. So let's go into the shared project. So as you can see, shared projects. So these are some of my shared projects. As you can see, as mentioned earlier, another designer shares a project, shared a project with me. So I have these projects so I can edit them. So very easy to use. So you have the option there. You can make a copy, edit them, change the names, copy into another directory. Okay, so let's get back to the home page. So this is basically how Canva layout looks like. So in the next video, we're going to discuss about choosing the right template. In this section, we're going to explore the world of templates. We'll show you how to select the perfect resume template for your CV from Canva's extensive collection to match with your style, profession. So let's dive straight into it. Choosing the right template it is the first step to creating an eye-catching CV. So Canva offers a wide range of stunning templates, and the right one can make your CV truly shine. So as you can see, we have a vast collection of templates. So we'll start with the resume section of the Canva templates category. So here, as you can see, we have different templates for various designs. Yeah, for marketing there, you can see financial analyst. We have different designs. So you can see you have the blue, the red, so according to your style. So the different professions have different standards. So according to your style, this is one of my favorite, the financial analyst style. It's very easy to follow. You can see you have the hard skills, the education background, the achievements, professional profile. Let's look at other collections. So we have here another one very good for product designers, and another here for the pilots, aviators. So we have here as well for secretaries, people like receptionists. We also have for students, fresh graduates, very clean and sleek templates for you to explore. So we have one here for doctors, nurses. This is a very good template. So as you can see, it's a paid template. Goodness is you can, or once you start with a free trial, you can open this template and you can use it as your template as you go through. We have another one here for medical doctors as well. This one is a free template. As you can see, it has a different sign. As you can see, this one's for doctors, nurses, medical clinic officers can use it. It's a very sweet design. You can even add, these are paid templates, so you should pay the subscription. You have the pro membership, you can have access to these templates. So let's go back to my favorite one, right there at the top. So as mentioned earlier, we're going to use this template to customize our CV. So there we can open it. You see you have customize and even stuff so that you can easily locate it. So you can even customize this template as well. So as you can see, it opens the template, so you can see there. So there are other templates related to this template. So if you like this one, you can even have an interest of other templates which are related to it with similar designs, as you can see. So most of them follow the keywords. So those are the keywords you should be looking for when selecting the right template. So for instance, you're an accountant, financial accountant. So open it and let's get right into it. So as you can see, we have our template. In the next video, I'll discuss about customizing this template. Thank you. Selecting the dashboard for it in the templates library. Once you've opened it, click the text elements you want to edit. These include your name, information, job titles, descriptions. So as you can see, once we click, we have the different font types. You can check your history. So you can even check the home button. This is the menu. So on the left side, so there you have the menu. On the left side we have other options, include the text. So you can change the name of the file, the CV. So in this case we are using John Doe. So just for information, this is not a real name. This is a fictitious name. So we're just using this for an example. So you can customize your CV with the name of start with the name of the font to select the text, replace it with your own information. So as you can see, I've changed the name to John Doe. You can also use the formatting options, just the font size, the style. So there we can change the name of the email address. So make sure that it zooms to 100% so that you can have a clear view of the CV. So you can change the email. So you press it with your own text. So as you can see, we've put johndoe@gmail.com. So this is not a real email address once again. This is just for demonstration purposes. So we can even change the phone number, the address. So if you have a personal website, you can include the information there. So you can even change your About Me, which is basically your professional profile. So from About Me, we can change the text to professional profile. So as you can see, once that blinks, keeps blinking, that shows you that you can replace the text. So you have the education background as well. So in this text, you can also edit to put your information. For instance, your grade 12, the name of the school, the year you completed, the college. So you also have the work experience there as well. You can put the name of the position, the year you completed, the name of the organization. So if you want, you can duplicate the CV. For instance, if your CV goes up to 2 pages, you can just duplicate it so that it becomes 2. So the other one you can use for further information. So instead of starting with a blank page, you can use this duplicated page to put your information, as I've done here. So it will be more like a continuation. So I'll just put this page as a continuous page. So I've put my experience there. For instance, if I've worked for more than 5 companies, so for instance, in the first page, I might manage to put only, for instance, 1 position, 1 row to the first page, and the other 2, 3, or 4 other rows will be pushed on the other page. So this is basically what I'm doing. So you can even remove, you have the contacts there. So instead of my contacts here, you can say maybe my hobbies. So since on the other page you have the contacts, so you can put my hobbies on this page. So you just delete the other symbols. So this basically would be more like a two-page CV. So I'll just duplicate the other title. So this one will include maybe my references. If you have references, you can just put them there. So same design, so just duplicate. So since John Doe doesn't have references at the moment, so we can just mention references available upon request. So this basically means the employer can provide the references on demand if they wish to talk to your references. So this is basically what we do. So make sure it's clean, make sure there is enough word page, make sure that it's not cluttered, the information is not cluttered. Make sure you have enough space for other sections. So you can change the colors of the background. As you can see, it was red, so I'm changing it to blue. So as blue is my favorite color, you can change to your own color of perfection. So as you can see, the other colors which are listed are basically from the document. So even the font color, you can change it to black. As you can see, it's changed to black. I'll bring it back to red. So